Page number 186. Are you all ready? Online students, are you all ready with the page number 186 practice time?
Yes, ma'am.
So start doing this. 438 divided by 9. Solve these sums in your notebook and find the answer and tell me. Yeah, that is by checking method. Check method also. Yes.
Ma'am, can you get
Page number 186.
the ma'am first one or the second one division or the
Wait, Nishika, wait, they are speaking. Wait, students. Let me listen. Yes, Nishika?
we have to do the first one or the second one?
From first, 438 divided by 9. Do these division, check your results by multiplication. This question you have to do. When you do apply the check method, in that method you multiply, no? Then divide or multiply by question plus remainder.
Ma'am, we have to do 186 practice time.
Yes. Start doing and get it checked by me. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I was logged out. See, I'm going to present my screen and will show you how to divide this. And you have to check your answers.
And how many sums on one page?
2.
Okay.
So 9 4s are 36 when you do. 13 minus 6 is 7 and 3 minus 3 will be 0. And get this checked also by me. One sum is done, then please bring it here.
Ma'am, 48
is the answer of the first one.
You got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
48.
Ma'am, but I have one doubt.
48.
Yes, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, here I have written 48 like on the right hand side. It's on the top, you told.
Yes, both the ways are correct.
Okay.
Multiply and find the answer. Check method also compulsory to do.
Ma'am, we have to do normal check method, no?
Normal
Which
check
we do.
method, divisor multiply by question plus remainder.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, we need to write the process in words also.
Huh?
We need to write the process in words also.
Words. The formula you have to write. Yes, divide. No, write the formula also, then only you will get the habit. Sorry. Whatever you have learned till now, please. Yes. Sorry. Second sum. Wait a minute, it's not there. Mhm.
Yes, it's written in the this only.
See, I am again telling one time and the last time to you.
Ma'am, second one is
Divide and check your
290.
answer with the check method.
Ma'am,
And the way you
second
have
one
learned
is
the check method, the
290.
same way you have to explain me here. Okay? Yes, yes. Any doubt?
Ma'am, second one is 290. 290.
Yeah. Wait a minute, we will check.
In this one, look, I multiplied it. I got 57 and if I add it.
No, wrong. Something wrong. Trisha, distribute them. They can see that and return it back to me. Distribute them. See and return it back to me. If you see it, just bring it, keep it here again. So the second one, what is the second answer?
Ma'am, 1 minute. I'm 290. 1 minute. I'm 290. 1 minute.
Please. We are waiting, na, Ayush? We are waiting, na? Yes, what is the answer for the second one?
Ma'am, 290.
290. Yes. The B answer is 290 is the question. Nothing is in the remainder. What is it? What is the C answer? Please do it fast. C. Once you check your marks, please put your papers here again.
Ma'am, can you tell my marks?
When you come back
Yes,
here,
ma'am, I also.
please, when you come here, I will tell you.
Okay.
And ma'am, our online class.
Ma'am, can you tell me my marks?
Online students, you will able to see your marks online, and the offline students, when they come back, they
Ma'am, 3 is 64 and 2 is remainder.
make that your voice is not coming clearly. Tomorrow. Not even a check method done. Okay, please do it fast. What is the answer for the third one?
Ma'am, on this second
64.
just because of this 2 marks are gone. And 64 and 2 is remainder.
Yes, 64 is the question and 2 is the remainder.
Ma'am, the D1 will be. Ma'am, the D1 will be 90.
And the D1 will be
90.
90.
90.
E1 will be, you need to be quick, Anya.
113.
Yes. Multiply, show multiplication here and addition here. Then only you will able to check your answer. And this is 290. When this 0 will come down, will go up here.
Ma'am, I got the F1 also.
Yes. Yes, 290. 0, you're not putting the 0 up.
Ma'am, in the F1 it will be 225.
What is the E answer?
113.
Yes, E answer is 113. What is the F answer?
225.
Yes. Please, everyone, put their papers here. Put here. Please put your here. Multiply with 290. Please keep your papers here, Vivan. Daria, is there any other child who left? Okay, what is the F answer?
255.
225.
2?
225.
Let me check. $225 is the F answer. Please get it checked now by me. Bring your notebooks. 225. E1 answer is 113. C is 64 and the remainder is 2. You're not checking also with the check method. But if it is already given to check it. Please bring your notebooks for the checking. Only one sum. Next, if you have done the first part, do the second question. Multiply. Do with the check method. If the sign is multiplication, multiply and find the answer in the grid and color the grid. And if the answer question is division, solve it with the division and answer, color the answer in the grid. Ridhan? Ridhan completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what sum we have to do?
Down one, this one.
Ma'am, done all. Ma'am? Renu ma'am?
Yes, please.
Done all the sums. Now I have to do the other one, the second question.
Yes?
I have to do the second question, the solve
Yes,
the given
yes.
sum. Okay.
Untidy work there. Too much untidy work. You're not drawing a line after every sum.
Ma'am, I was saying this check method is there. I have done this one. No, ma'am, this one. This one. Check method, this one. Zero draw. Any draw.
What is this? It's too much untidy, beta.
This one.
You need to work on your neatness of the work
Yes.
and draw a line after every sum.
Yes.
Are you all doing the question 2?
Now to color that means I cannot understand.
Which one?
Ma'am, that question 2, color one.
Question 2, you have to solve the answers. Find out the answer. If it is multiplication sign, multiply them. And after finding the answer, whatever is your final answer, color it in the grid. Suppose if I say 50 multiplied by 10 is 500, and where the 500 is written in the grid, I have to color the 500.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Here is.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is this correct?
Hmm.
I'll do the check method of this one.
Hmm.
Do all of that, the second one. From the east. And we have to color with what?
Any color.
Any color.
question number 2, there are 2 and 0, so I can write only 1 0 and do the all.
Ma'am is talking about question number 1 and D. He's talking about D480 divided by 12.
So many zeros matlab?
I can only one.
Okay, now I'm going to press. Children, you have to complete the question number 2 and show it to me tomorrow. The answers we will discuss. And I'm going to present the screen and we'll discuss some page number, what problems are there. Open page number 184.
Last sum.
Page number 184, take out everyone. Make the best story problem. Each line gives a story. You have to choose the question which makes the best story problem. The first one is already marked. A shopkeeper has 50 boxes. There are 48 fruits in one box. So how are you going to end it? Take the one question which matches with the given problem. How many fruits are in all? Yes or no? This is a kind of a story problem. Now come the next. This first one is already done for you. 352 children from a school went on a campaign trip. Each stand had a group of 4 children. So which sentence is the correct sentence for it?
Ma'am, how many tens do they get the answer would be, ma'am?
You need to find by the division. So how many tens do they need? Next is the shopkeeper has 204 eggs. He puts them in the egg trays. Each tray has 12 eggs.
Ma'am, we have to do in notebook.
Which one will be the correct answer? So how many more eggs will he need? How many fresh eggs does he sell? Or how many trays does he need? So the last answer is the correct answer. Fourth one. The cost of one book is 47. Sonu buys 23 books. How much money does he have? How much money does he pay for the books? Or what is the cost of 47? Only 4 to 5 students are active. What about the others? What?
What is the cost of 47 books?
Yes. What is the cost of 47 books? The last is the correct answer. And how much money does he pay for the books? This also is the correct answer because he has to multiply 47 with the 23. So we can say that how much money also he has paid. Yes. So B is the correct one. How much money does he pay for the
Yash. Ma'am, C is also that appropriate. Ma'am, C is also appropriate.
C is also appropriate?
Yes, ma'am, because what is the cost
Of 47
47
books. Both can be, yes. No, because books are 23. So we cannot say what is the cost of 47 books. 47 is the price. Got it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is the cost, what is the cost of 23 books, then we can say C is also correct. But it is 47 books. And 47 is not the books. 47 is the price of one book. So the B is the correct answer. How much money does he has to pay for the books?
Okay, ma'am.
And when you 10 into 90, we will do it will be 900. You are not multiplying, you're just showing the multiplication sign. You actually not multiplying.
Now we have to do this in the notebook also.
No. This is in the textbook only. Cross check for Hari Krishnan. Done, no? Learn the spelling of the remainder, quotient, divisor. Remainder spelling is wrong. You just check this. It is 220. Acha, no. Right. Your handwriting is too good. Do it in this way only, the work, okay? Cross check for Hari Krishnan. Hari Krishnan wanted to divide rupees 2,456 among the persons.
Can I drink water?
Good. He asked his eldest son to tell him how much money each one will get. Papa, each of us will get, when you divide it into the among 4 persons, each one will get 624. When Hari Krishna started giving rupees 624 to each son, he was left with less money for the youngest one.
Ma'am, it's wrong.
Why? Yes. So when you divide this, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 614. 614.
640.
Yes, 5 will come down and so the answer is 614, not 624. That is the reason he was not able to divide it equally. And it shows that if you are doing it correct means you are clear with the division concept. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Check this. It will be 64, I think. Just check the E answer. Okay. So tomorrow there is one more class remaining with this chapter, and on Friday I'm going to take the CET of this chapter. So start preparing yourself. Check method is not done. So here also it will be correct.
Now yesterday you have done till how many word problems?
Yesterday you were not there, Mohit?
No, I was there, but I have not done. I have done till only reduce.
We have done the word problems of the page number 183. Till there are 26 rooms in a school.
Yes, ma'am, I also
I
did
told
till
you to
reduce.
complete it. Today I'm going to send you the worksheet based on multiplication, division, as well as the story problems. Yes? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, see my work. Today's work.
Okay, show me. Very good. So one more class is pending, which is tomorrow, and day after tomorrow means on Friday, I'm going to take the CT of this chapter. Friday, come prepare. Twisha, collect books from everyone. Those who have completed the, please give your books. Yes, do it fast and give it to me. Thank you, students.
Bye.